Good morning, everyone. It's our third day here at Dusit Tadi Lubi Resort. It's going to be a slow day today. Wala kaming ganong plans. And it's also a working day. So, bahala na kung ano yung gagawin natin for our last full day here at Dusit Tani Resort. So, tara, sama kayo. Gala tayo, kain tayo, relax tayo. Okay, let's go to breakfast. Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Morning. Alam mo yung card? Yep. Sure, thank you. Okay, done na kami mag-breakfast. Si Cyril, magsuswing-swing daw siya. Favorite mo yan dito? Yan yung first day pa lang. Pinupuntahan niya na araw-araw. Ayan na, tatakbo na. Oh no! Patula ka kay Daddy. Ayaw niya. Okay, tapos na kami dito. Balik na kami sa room. Work na.
Okay, what else?
That's it.
Okay. Yun lang?
Huh?
Yun lang?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go.
Now I'm gonna go to the park. Kajo, wanna say hi to the vlog? Wanna say hi to the vlog? Okay.
Hi, Kaja.
Is that a crow?
Yeah,
Oh my
baby
gosh.
crow.
Oh my god. Wait, that's a crow. For real?
Yeah. Walang tao. Okay, baby. Go. Ito.
How's your stay po?
Good. Ganda.
First visit po ninyo?
Yes.
First. Acknowledge na ako.
Okay.
Hi everyone! It's now 5:20. We just spent the whole day lounging here sa villa and then doing some work. So lalabas tayo ngayon. Siguro tambay lang tayo dun sa may Sunset Beach. Okay, nandito na tayo sa Sunset Beach. And where do you wanna relax, Cyril? Okay. We're just gonna chill here hanggang bumaba yung araw. Although it's cloudy. Pwede, gusto ko maglakad dun eh. Baka may snake dun, meron kaya? Ay, hindi ata. Kailangan ata may guide. Careful. Oops! Ang galing nga, buong katawan. You try to cross it. Dapat pala nag-order muna tayo ng coffee. Tingnan mo sila, may coffee.
Daddy, push me.
Sarap.
Push me.
Sarado pa naman yung restaurant na yun ngayon. Lakad tayo dito. Sa ano lang. Bukana lang. Habang hindi pa madilim. Parang yun yung trail ata eh. Yung patag na yun. Yeah. Sure ko walang ahas dyan ah.
If I see a crab, it's your fault.
Why would the crab go here? Ayaw nga yan. Baby, tinan mo, habang papasok tayo, lalakas yung tunog na yan.
Daddy, I don't like the crabs.
Hindi ba coconut tong... Ay, ingat tayo ah. May coconut trees.
Coconut, coconut.
Tinan mo itong mag-ama. Bigla ko iniwan. What does it say? This is yung mismong Luby Plantation?
Huwag maingay daw.
Pag- Really? Oh.
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 Wait, I'm not going. What will happen to the turtle? Really? I want to see a turtle. If it's night here, I will love it.
No, it's scary. Oh, may upuan pa dun, oh. Heart, heart.
It's L at saka B.
Yeah, hindi kasi season ng hatching, 'di ba, ng turtles.
Matatapos lang daw eh.
Yeah. Okay, balik na tayo dun sa beachfront. Let's wait for the sunset. What did you say, Serena?
I miss city.
She misses the city daw. Tomorrow naman uwi na tayo. But did you like it here?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, ang ganda talaga rito, promise. Yung gantong island experience, usually sa iba, ang mahal niya. Dito yung price point niya, affordable for the experience that you'll get. Basta, try nyo. Ayan, we didn't have a proper sunset for today, pero ang ganda pa rin ng kulay ng langit, oh. Grabe. Sobrang nakakatuwa talaga dito sa Dusit-Tani Lubi Plantation Resort. Bakit laging report? Workaholic yan. Yeah, maganda dito. Sobrang nakaka-relax. For the price you pay, I think sobrang sulit siya para sa may experience mo dito. The last private island that we went to was actually yun nga, yung Discovery Coron. Pero hindi mas nagustuhan ko yung experience dito overall. And then sa Amanpulo din, we've been there before. Yun naman talaga is high-end talaga. Pero hindi ko sabihin na close, pero the experience kasi yung privacy, good food, activities, makukuha mo rin dito. So, if you want like a private island getaway na affordable, dito sa Dusit-Tani Lubi Resort Plantation. Okay, tapos na kami dito. We'll go to dinner. Bye! It's so quiet tonight. Ang layo from the atmosphere nung dumating tayo ng first night. Oh look, ano na, Lunar New Year na. Bilis sila magpalit ha. Okay, let's have dinner. Okay, ito na yung dinner namin. We have the ramen. Kakaiba yung ramen nila, no? Yung pork is fried. Tapos, crispy kare-kare and bulalo. And, ayun, sisig. Let's eat! Okay, tapos na kami mag-dinner. Ano, nagustuhan nyo ba rito sa Dusit-Tani Lubi? Oo, marirecommend nyo? Yes, so that wraps up our Dusit-Tani Lubi Plantation Resort experience. We'll see you on the next trip. Bye!